how to install Windows XP on your PC. First insert the Windows XP installer in your CD DVD-ROM drive. Then restart your PC. Then
Now that the files have been copied from the CD, all you have to do now is delete the two partitions, partition C and B. Create a new partition, and the average memory percentage should be 60 to 40%, but you could choose anything you want. 50% of 152 megabytes is 91575 megabytes. Then enter to create. And create a new partition for drive D, and all the remaining megabytes goes to it. All you have to do is press enter to start the install. After pressing enter, you now have to format the partition. You could choose the quick, I'm going to choose the quick option because we're running out of time, and thus the setup is formatted. Lakaw na ko gaw, pwede na na, lakaw na ko.
please wait. We'll set up copy this file to the Windows installation folder. This might take several minutes to complete.
For the Windows desktop up here, 567 Pro.
Just wait until the finalizing installation will finish. desktop appears.
Then press OK. And also press OK in here. And wait until the desktop appears. Click Next and select Not Right Now. Then Next. Then type the name of the computer's owner. Then afterwards, click Next. And lastly, click the Finish button. So to right-click niya siya ulit sa right-click the start, then click Properties. Then select the Classic Start menu. Then click Apply, then OK.
And now, our OS installation of Windows XP SP2 is finally complete.